50 by 3 is nothing but how much, beta?
16.66.
Okay, 16.66. 16.66
Telling
minus
me.
0, nothing is there, so by 8. Okay, so you will get it as 8, 2.8, 2.8 meter per second square.
0825.
Uh,
Sir, 2.0825.
16.66 divided by 8. Okay, 2.08. Okay, 2.08. Okay, so
Please admit Parijat.
uh,
Sir, please admit Parijat. He is telling me.
Parijat, I have admitted. Parijat.
Okay, sir.
Now again, what they have given? What would
Sir, you have written the acceleration wrong. It will be 2.0825.
it's okay, beta. It's okay, no problem. That is four up to 4 decimal point. That is not required. That's fine, no problem. 2 decimal points you can take. Okay, and it is given that what would be its final speed after 5 seconds if it is starting speed is were 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, then you have to take the acceleration this only. Okay, you take the acceleration like 2.08 meter per second. Okay, meter per second square, and initial velocity u, its starting speed is 50
Yes, sir.
kilometer per hour. So initial velocity is 50 kmph, and convert it into 5 by 8, like in meter per second, and v is equal to how much they are asking, and time is given as 5 seconds. So this is the question actually. This is the question. T is equal to 5 seconds.
Okay, sir.
So now from here, first you convert u as into meter per second, then you have to derive the equation for velocity. So u 50 kilometer per hour, can you convert this into meter per second, meter? What is the answer? What would be the answer?
Sir, 13.88 meter per second.
Yeah, 13.8 meter per second. Yes, u is 13.8 meter per second, and t is 5 seconds. V is what? A is 2.08 meter per second square. So A formula we know, A is equal to V minus U by T. Okay. So from here, you just derive the formula for V. So V minus U is equal to, you send this T this side, it will be A into T. Okay. Then from here, V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, U send this side. U minus U, if it goes right side, it becomes plus U. So from here, V is equal to U plus AT. This is the formula you have derived. You have simplified, or you made the V as a subject. In mathematics terms, we say you have made the V as a subject. Then V is equal to, you substitute now, U is equal to 13.8, A is equal to 2.08, time is 5 seconds. You substitute, you will get the answer. You will get the answer. Okay? Please do that.
Scroll down the screen.
Sagnik, you are telling something?
Please scroll down the screen.
Yeah. Please solve for V. Yeah, what would be the answer? V is equal to, substitute please all of you. U is equal 13.8, A is equal to 2.08 and T is equal 5 seconds. Please substitute. What is the answer you are getting? Please let me know.
Sir, V equals to 24.2 meter per second.
V is equal to
24.2.
24.3 meter by second.
yes, very good.
Meter per
Okay.
second.
Yeah, most of you are getting the same answer. So 13.8 plus some 2 into 2.08 into 2.08 into 5. So if you do that, how much you are getting, madam? 24.2 or 24.3, something like that. Okay. So this is the answer. Yeah, Kaustav, you also asked this question, na? You have also asked this question.
No, sir, I asked number 3.
Acha. Okay.
This is number 4.
No, it's okay. No problem. We will also discuss 3. Yeah, this shall I go for third one now? Third one, some of you are having doubt. Is it clear now, this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is the formula for time is it v minus u divided by a?
Yes. You send time this side, A this side, then it becomes V minus U by A. Yes, correct. You are correct. Time is equal to,
Then the answer. Answer for the 3 is 7.5 meter, 7.5 seconds.
Oh, answer for 3, huh? Okay. So let
Yes.
us see. Very good. Good. So now let us go for. Can you see my screen? This assignment.
No, sir, I can see the answer one, which
Okay.
you wrote.
Okay. Okay.
No, sir, I also can't see.
Now you can see, no?
Yes, sir.
Now third one, a car is traveling at a speed of 30 meters per second, encounters an emergency and comes to a complete stop. How much time will it take for the car to stop if it is accelerated at a or decelerated at a minus 4 meter per second square? So that means here initial velocity is given, that is u. Okay, and final velocity is completely stopped, that is 0. V is equal to 0, and a is given 4 a. Then time they are asking, time is equal to how much? So a is equal to v minus u by t. Okay, so time is equal to v minus u by a. Okay, this is the formula. Time is equal to v minus u by a. Okay, so now you substitute. V is 0, u is 30, and time you have to find out. Acceleration a 4. You substitute and let me know the answer. Yeah, Sagnik, Kanishka, you are correct. Ashmi Bishwas previously told correct answer is 7.5 seconds. Very good. Okay. Time is a scalar quantity, so we should not mention negative or positive time like that. Time has only magnitude. Time is a scalar quantity, it is not a vector quantity. So we should not mention minus or plus for time. We should only mention, only for vectors where we can mention minus sign, plus sign. Okay? Sagnik, is it okay?
7.5 seconds.
Yes.
Answer.
We have to say final answer is 7.5 seconds. That's it. Plus only. It should not be minus. Good. Very good. Yeah. So you are also
What is the
having
meaning of
question number 7
AI?
is doubt. So here one simple trick. That is, we should know conversion better. So here we should know 1 mile is equal to how many kilometers. We should know. So 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. Okay, 1.6 kilometer. So
Okay, sir.
25 miles is equal to 25 into 1.6 kilometer per hour. That is the initial velocity. Okay, so initial velocity u is equal to 25 into 1.6 kilometer per hour. Okay, which is equal to 25 into 1.6. How much better? 25 into 1.6. That is 40 kilometer per hour, I think. No, 25 plus 9, 34 kilometer per hour. Am I correct?
I can't see the solution. I can only see the question. So are you sharing the solution?
No, I am typing it actually here.
So but I can't see that also.
Okay. 25 into 1.6, how much? 25 into 1.6.
Sir, 40.
Yeah, 40. So 25 into 1.6, that is 40 kilometer per hour. So this is the initial velocity. Again, you convert this into meter per second. Meter per second. Okay. Meter per second, if you convert 40 into 5 by 18. 5 by 18. You have to do, which is equal
Divided by
to
9.
200 by 18 or 100 by 9. Yes. 100 by 9. 100 by 9, how much? 100 by 9.
Sir, 11.11.
Yes, 100 by 9 is 11.11 meter per second. This is the initial velocity, beta. Okay, it is the initial velocity.
Now I can do the sum because I didn't know that mi is the symbol of miles.
Yeah. Mi is the symbol of mile. Yes. And the sixth one, 6 into 1.6. So that will be 9.6 kilometer per hour. And again you convert it into 5 by 18 meter per second. Then you know now initial velocity is there, final velocity is there, time 10 seconds. Time 10 seconds. So use the formula v minus u by t, and that's it. We will get the answer.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
your annotations are not visible.
Achha. Okay, then I will have to open another document.
Your annotation is not visible.
Achha. Okay. I will have to open another document. Then only. Yeah. It's okay.
Only the
How do you
questions are
understand
visible.
that 25 miles per hour is equal to 25 into 1.6 kilometer per hour? Then again 40 kilometer per hour. Then if you simplify further, 40 kilometer per hour to meter per second, that is 11.11 meter per second. Okay, I am not writing anything now. Then again 6 miles per hour is 6 into 1.6 kilometer per hour, which is equal to 9.6 kilometer per hour, and again you convert it into meter per second. 9.6 into 5 by 18, you simplify, that will be your final velocity, and the initial velocity is there, final velocity is there, time is there, seconds, time 10 seconds. So v minus u by t formula you use, find out the deceleration. Hope you can do it now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Good. Okay then. 9 to 12. 9 to 12. Any doubts, beta? 9 to 12. Doubts, please.
sir, 9, 10, 11.
Oh my God. All the questions are doubt only. Nine, 10, 11. All are doubts. See again, a car is starting from rest. U is equal to 0. Acceleration is 8 meter per second square. Final speed
Sir,
is
what?
4. Time is given.
Sir, that is square.
Huh?
Sir, that is square.
Yeah, meter
8
by
meter per
second by
second
second
square.
is nothing but meter per second square only, na? Okay. That is the acceleration only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
acceleration is given. Initial velocity 0. Final velocity you have to find out. Time is equal to 4 seconds. So formula is v is equal to u plus at. Use the formula u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Then you will get the answer for 9. Is it okay?
Sir. Yes, sir.
32 meter per second.
Acha. V is equal to u. U is 0. Okay. Yes. 80, A into T, 8 into 4, 32. Yes, 32 meter per second is the answer. Correct. Ashmi Bishwas, correct. And 10th one, how to do Ashmi Bishwas? You tell me, no? 10th one?
Sir, here acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So here my final velocity is 10 and initial is 0. So 10 minus 0 and time is 6. So divided by 6. So 10 by 6 is equals to 1.7 meter by second meter per second square.
So Runner reaches his speed 10 meter per second. So final velocity 10, initial velocity 0, 10 minus 0, 10 by 6, 10 by 6, direct question this is. 10 by 6 is nothing but how much beta?
1.7.
Correct. Approximately 1.7 or 1.66 is the answer. Okay. Or 1.7 also. Okay. Fine.
Sir, Shivangi is telling to check the chat box, personal chat box.
Sure. Yeah, Shivangi, you are sending the okay. Answers you are sending. Fine. Good. And Soumyajit, what you are sending? Sir, when we are finding final velocity, the value which we get that we will write in meter. No, velocity units are meter per second. Okay, Soumyajit, acceleration units are meter per second square. Okay, velocity units are meter per second.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. The next 11th one, Shivangi will tell the answer. 11th one. How long means time you have to find out. That's it. What is the time formula? Time formula is, okay, time is equal to V minus U by.
Sir, V minus U by A.
That's it. So V is A is 7 meter per second square. U is 0 and V is 18 meter per second. So 18 by 7. So that will be the answer. Some 2.5, around 2.5 you will get. Actually, Shivangi, I cannot hear you better. Shivangi, I cannot hear you. So answer is 2.57 seconds. It is not meter per second. Time unit is second. See, very important. You people are doing mistake every time in units. Velocity, initial velocity or final velocity. Its unit is meter per second only. Speed also, speed unit is also meter per second only. Distance unit, meter. Displacement unit, meter. Speed unit, meter per second. Velocity unit, meter per second. Whatever it is, initial or final, whatever it is. And time unit, second. Acceleration unit, meter per second square. Okay, and you have to take care kilometer
Sir?
per hour to meter per second or meter per second to kilometer per hour conversion. Okay, so kilometer per hour to meter per second multiply with 5 by 18 and meter per second to kilometer per hour multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, so
Sir,
yeah,
what is the answer for question number 11?
question number 11. How long? Time is 2.57 seconds. You will get the answer. Answer
Yes, sir.
for 11 is 2.57 second. Is the answer. I have written in the chat box. Drishti, is it okay? Drishti? Yeah, Drishti, your answer is correct. I have given in the chat box. Answer for 11 is 2.57. Good, very good. So in this way, if you are getting doubts, means you are attempting the questions. That is very good.
Sir, sir, only one more doubt, that is number 13.
Okay. So 12 to 15. Next doubt is 13. Okay. 12 to 15. Others please. 12 to 15 doubts. Shivangi, no doubts. Good, very good. See, you have to try like this. Next 12 to 15 other than 13. Anybody have any little doubt? I'm asking that only. Okay, then 13th let us do. Srija, what is this beta? See, u is equal to 7, b is equal to 0, time is there. Then what is there? What you are unable to understand in this? U is there, v is there, t is there. Formula a is equal to v minus u by t. That's it. Srija, is it okay? Srija? Okay, then 13th. 13th. Kanishka, can you explain 13th? 13th will be explained by Kanishka.
Sir, U is 4 meter per second, V is 22 meter per
Uh-huh.
second, and sir, U is 4 meter per second.